Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone camera. Keep turning off on FaceTime. So, first thing is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down and go for the apps over here. Now, on the apps, just simply go for the FaceTime application. Now here, you could just simply turn off FaceTime over here. So from here, guys, just simply turn it off. And after that, you could just simply turn it back on. And mostly this fixes the issue. Now, guys, if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do is just simply go back to your phone settings, and after that, you could just simply go ahead and go for the general and go for the software update. So guys, make sure you are running the latest software into your phone because sometimes outdated software causes the issue. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all and see you in the next video.